we are going to discuss about stroke risk prediction with hybrid deep transfer learning framework. Then we are going to see about overview of our project. So this is the abstract. The main objective of our project is to predict or to classify or to identify the stroke based on different machine learning algorithms. Stroke has become a leading cause of death and long-term disability in the world with no effective treatment. Deep learning based approaches have the potential to outperform existing stroke risk prediction models, but they rely on large, well-labeled data. Due to the strict privacy protection policy in healthcare systems, stroke data is usually distributed among different hospitals in small pieces. The input data is taken from dataset repository. In our project, we have taken the stroke disease dataset as input. The system is developed with the machine and deep learning algorithms such as random forest and multi-layer perceptron. The result shows that performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall and FN score. Finally, we can compare the two algorithms based on results in the form of graph. This is the flow diagram of our project. First, we are taken the stroke dataset. Our dataset format is .csv file. Then we can select our input data by using pandas package. The selected data carry out to pre-processing step. Here we can check or handle the missing values for avoid wrong prediction. If our dataset contains any missing values, means we can replace or remove the missing values. Then label encoding for machine readable. Here we can convert the string into numeric integer value. Then pre-process data or carry out to feature selection module. Here we can select the best features from pre-processed data by using C-square. Then the feature selected data or carry out to data splitting module. Here we can split the whole dataset into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Then the splitted data or a carry out to classification module. Here we can implement random forest and multi-layer perceptrons. With the help of this algorithm, we can classify the input as stroke or normal, or we can identify or predict the input data based on symptom is stroke or normal. Then the classified data carry out to estimate the performance. So here we can estimate accuracy, precision, recall, FN score. Accuracy is the overall prediction, how my model accurately predict in terms of percentage. Then visualization. Visualization, in a sense, it is a graph, comparison graph for both algorithms such as random forest and multi-layer perceptrons. So this is the flow of our project. This is the output or demo of our project. Here we are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is the first module, data selection. Here we have displayed some sample of data from our data set. So these are the symptoms and patient informations. Then pre-processing. So this is the before handling missing values, in a sense. These are the count of missing values in corresponding columns. So in the ID contain the 0, in a sense there is no missing values in corresponding columns. So this is the total number of missing values is present in BMI column. So we need to eliminate the missing columns. This is the after handling missing values. So we are checking and replace the missing values by zeros. Then label encoding. So the label encoding means convert the string into numeric integer value. So this is the string which is present in our data set. So we need to convert these strings into numeric integer value. So this is the result for after performing the label encoding. Then feature selection, so by here we are implemented C square, so with the help of this algorithm we can select the best features from our original data. So this is the total number of original features, then this is the total number of reduced features. Then data splitting module, here we can split the whole data set into test and train. So this is the total number of data, and this is the test and data, and this is the total number of train data. Based on ratio we can split the whole data set. Then machine learning algorithm, here we are implemented random forest, so the random forest accuracy is 94.9. Then multi-layer perceptron, so this is the result for multi-layer 94.7. Then we can predict the stroke for 10 sample of test data. So the patient 1 is not affected, then the patient 2 is not affected. So likewise we are calculating the total number of test data. Then we can compare the graph for random forest with multi-layer perceptrons. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.